Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy learning computer science. This video is part 1 of mobile processors from the topic computer networks. First, let's see what is a mobile processor. The processors are required to run an operating system, let it be a desktop, laptop or a mobile. So these processors provide the necessary resources to start an operating system, to run applications and then do certain tasks. So today's smartphones and mobile processors are very powerful so that they can compete with desktop computers. Now processors are now available in many different cores. Okay, so first it was single core, then came the dual core, and now we have quad core, hexa core, and even octa core processors. Most processors available today are 64-bit. Earlier it was 32-bit. The processing speed has also touched between 3 to 3.5 gigahertz. The speed is very high now. The ability to equip mobile processors with GPU, that is GPU is graphics processing unit. So mobile processors equipped with GPU has enabled the devices to churn out best graphic pictures, have 3D capability, virtual reality and 4K recording capability. The improved processor technology has also made the modern mobile devices more efficient, more powerful because of this improved processor technology. So today there are many processors available in the market. Qualcomm, Apple mobile processors, Intel mobile processors, and some other giants are ruling the market. So let's discuss all these mobile processors in detail. The first one is Qualcomm Snapdragon. Okay, Qualcomm Snapdragon. This Qualcomm technology is a US based company. So this became a known brand when they introduced the CDMA technology. So Qualcomm first became a known brand when CDMA technology was introduced. So it is actively involved in technology related to semiconductor designing for mobile devices, tracking devices, then satellite phones, virtual reality, wireless charging, communications, etc. etc. This Qualcomm is now known for its Snapdragon brand, which is responsible for marketing mobile processors and LTE modems, that is 4G. Okay, so this Snapdragon is responsible for marketing mobile processors and LTE modems. Now Snapdragon has become a big name in the processor market after it introduced the first 1 gigahertz processor. Okay, so this when it introduced 1 gigahertz processor, this became very popular, when the average speed of most smartphones only 512 megahertz. So when it is increased to 1 megahertz, it just became very popular in the market. So since 2005, Snapdragon has come out with a number of series like S1, S2, S3, S4, S200, then S400, S600 and S800. So this already S800 series has released so many things, that is S800, S801, S805, S808, S810, S820 and S821. The most common Qualcomm processor in the medium to high-end phone market is either S820 or S821. The next one is the Apple mobile processor. Actually, Apple does not manufacture microprocessors at all. Okay, Apple brand, they will not manufacture microprocessors on their own. Instead, what they'll do, it enters into contracts with processor manufacturing companies like Samsung, TSMC for making custom built processors. So they'll tell the requirement of the processors. In that way, the processors will be built by those companies like Samsung and TSMC that suits the design of the Apple and the expected performance. Okay, so for instance, A9 14nm processor was built by Samsung, while the A9 16nm version was built by TSMC. Now, Apple A series is designed for processors to be used in iPhone. So, this Apple A series is used for iPhone, like iPhone, iPad, then iPad Touch, and also Apple TV. Some of the processors in the series are A4, A5, A5X, A6, A6X, A7, A8, A8X, A9, A9X, and A10. So Apple A10 Fusion is the latest processor which is used in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. Now this A10 is a quad core built on 16nm FinFET processor, and it is capable of running at 2.4 GHz speed and a hexa core power. Okay, so this A10 is as twice as fast as its predecessor, that is A9, right? So this is twice faster than A9, and it has improved graphic processing by 50%. So, and this processor is manufactured by TSMC. Which processor? That is the Apple A10 Fusion. Okay. The next one is Apple S series. This is designed for processors to be used in Apple Watch. Okay. So the Apple S series, this processor is designed to be used in Apple Watch. Some of the processors in this series are Apple S1, Apple S1P, and Apple S2. Now the current version is Apple S2. This Apple S2 is a dual core processor with built-in GPS, which is used in Apple Watch Series 2. And this processor is manufactured by Samsung. Now Apple W series is used in headphones for wireless audio connectivity. So the current series Apple W1 is used in wireless headphones as well as AirPods. Then the Apple T series is designed to be used in Touch ID sensors in MacBook Pro. So the only version released till date is Apple T1. Okay. So Apple A10 Fusion, which is used in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. And then Apple S series is designed to be used in Apple Watch. Then Apple W series is used in headphones for wireless audio connectivity. And then Apple T series, it is designed to be used in Touch ID sensors in MacBook Pro. So Apple mobile processors, they do not manufacture their own microprocessors. Instead, some of the companies like mainly Samsung and TSMC, they will make custom built processors to suit the design and performance till the up to the expectation of Apple.